Small and lightweight, the AOS-B and AROS-B are 32mm brushless, cordless sanders suitable for spot repair or small areas. With an ergonomic design, lightweight and 16-hour battery life, you can sand for long periods without fatigue. The 10.8-volt Li-ion battery charges in 45 minutes, so with 2 batteries on hand, there is no downtime. So what is the difference between the AOS-B and the AROS-B? The award-winning AOS-B has a 3mm orbit, whereas the Mirka AROS-B has a random 5mm orbit for more efficient stock removal. With Bluetooth connectivity, you can use the My Mirka app to monitor vibration, manage the RPM and runtime. These 2 clever sanders are ideal for professionals who appreciate the freedom of movement and the low maintenance of a cordless sander.